and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Dr. Oscar Rebello and Remo join Aam Aadmi Party. AAP leader claims that more such prominent citizens to join party in coming few days. Arvind Kejriwal sworn in as CM of Delhi. 6 legislators take oath as cabinet ministers. Kejriwal promises corruption-free government. No one from BJP turns up for debate on Vishnu Wagh attack case. Congress to take the issue at national level. Nilkant disappointed with intelligentsia. Prudent conducts survey at Panji, Madgaon and Vasco on the rising crime rate in Goa. Citizens are petrified, do not feel safe anymore. And e-auctioning of extracted iron ore by January. Revenue to feature in state annual budget. Government expects 1,000 crore rupees. And now the news in detail. AAP is growing in Goa. Goa's pop sensation Remo Fernandez and renowned social activist Dr. Oscar Rebello has officially joined the Aam Aadmi Party. The AAP leader in Goa, Valmiki Naik, said that credible people like Remo and Oscar joining the party is a big boost and more are on the way. He said Goa is in the priority list of national team of the Aam Aadmi Party.
Remo actually काल आम आदमी पार्टीक ऑफिशियली रजिस्टर्ड मेंबर जाला. ताणे 10 रुपया आमकां दिले आनी आमचो फॉर्म सायन केलो आनी बरे खुशेन ताणे सांगले आपल्याक एक टोपी दी आनी झाडू दी आनी आपलो एक फोटो काड.
Like 99% of Goans, I think for all these years we have been physically, mentally, spiritually, ideologically, philosophically Aam Aadmi Party. All that I have done now is I've just put my name and my signature to a piece of paper of inclusiveness, of pluralism, of accountability, of probity, of wanting to preserve our land, of wanting to preserve our heritage, our environment. These are all ideas of AAP. So, any party, whichever the one is in power, whether it's the Congress, whether it's the BJP, if you don't AAP ideology, to my mind, you're in trouble.
The new entrant in politics and the Aam Aadmi Party leader Arvind Kejriwal was sworn in as the CM of Delhi on Saturday at Ramlila Maidan. Kejriwal along with 6 other legislators took oath never to seek or offer bribe. The 45-year-old CM swore to deliver promises on the tunes of Manna De's song. Kejriwal will handle the portfolios of home, power, planning, finance, services and vigilance.
मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल
ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित पूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करता रहूंगा.
अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धा पूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगा.
The other ministers in Delhi are Manish Sisodiya, aged 41 years, who will have education, higher education, public works department, urban development, local bodies, land and building and revenue. Somnath Bharti, aged 39, will get administrative reforms, law, tourism, art and culture ministries. Satyendra Kumar Jain, aged 49 years, will be looking after the ministries of health, industries and Gurudwara elections. Rakhi Birla, the youngest legislator aged 26, will be handling women and child development, social welfare and languages, special arrangements to ensure women's safety in the national capital. Girish Soni, aged 49, will be looking after the ministries of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, employment, development and skill mission and labour. Saurabh Bharadwaj, aged 33, has been given ministries of transport, food supply, environment, elections and general administrative department. The young brigade is set to deliver its promises.
अन्ना जी कई बार मुझे कहते थे कि राजनीति कीचड़ है, गंदे हो जाएंगे। लेकिन मैं अन्ना जी को समझाया करता था कि अन्ना जी अगर ये राजनीति कीचड़ है तो अब इस कीचड़ के अंदर खुद ही घुसना पड़ेगा और उस कीचड़ को खुद ही सफाई करनी पड़ेगी।
Prudent conducted a debate on Vishnu attack case with a panel of 5, but 2 chairs were empty. Nobody from the BJP turned to place their views or debate on Vishnu Wagh attack case. Congress panelist Durgadas Kamath has declared to take this issue to the national level. Nilkant Halankar is disappointed with the attitude of other political parties. Author Dilip Borkar said that literary class, which should have supported Vishnu, has become a sidekick of the government.
भाजपाचे वटेच्यान आमी ज्या फुडाऱ्याक कॉन्टॅक्ट केले तातूंत भितर विनय तेंडुलकर आसात, नरेंद्र सावयकार आसात, विल्फ्रेड मिस्कीत आसात, किरण कांदोळकर आसात, सुभाष फळदेसाय आसात, प्रमोद सावंत आसात, मायकल लोबो आसा, दामू नायक आसा आणि दत्तप्रसाद नायक आसा. महिला मोर्चाच्या 4 जाणांक कॉन्टॅक्ट केलो. जर पहिली डेफिनेटली कुंदा चोडणकार, दुसरी तांची नीना नायक जी त्या पत्रकार परिशदे भितर आशिल्ली, तिसरी सुलक्षणा सावंत, प्रमोद सावंताची घरकान्न जी त्या पत्रकार परिशदे भितर आशिल्ली, आणि चौथी शिल्पा नायक. ह्या 4 जाणांक आमी कॉन्टॅक्ट केलो की कशें करून यात, कारण तुम्ही पत्रकार परिशद घेऊन कोणाचेर तरी आरोप करतात तेन्ना समोरासमोर आयली येतगीर त्या आरोपाक बॅक करपाचे आणि त्या मनशा कडेन ती भासाभास करपाची धमक तुमचे भितर आसूंक जाय. पण ह्या 4 जाणांनी कितें जाल्यार कितें कारण सांगून आपूण आपल्याक फावना म्हणून सांगलें.
त्या कंप्लेंटांत नांव जे दिले कंप्लेनंटान त्या मनशाक आफोवप ना, जाल्यार तेजे कडेन वचून उलोवप ना, इथपर्यंत वचप हो सारको इश्यू जो आहा हॉट इश्यू म्हणून घेवपाक जाय आसलो. आनी हो काँग्रेसने सगळे पक्ष हे रस्त्यार येवपाची गरज आसली.
सो यू आर डिसअपॉइंटेड.
या डिसअपॉइंटेड.
जे साहित्यीक जे कलाकार पयर आमी मिटींग आपयली विष्णूच्या हाका निशेध करपा खातीर 7-8 लोक आयले.
Exactly.
दुःख दिसता म्हाका की हे गोंय सरकार अशें कितें तरी ह्या कलाकारां मुखार उडयतात आणि कलाकार तोंड धांपून ओगी रावतात.
आमी हायकमांडा कडेन उलयतले अँड वी वील टेक अप दिस एज अ नॅशनल इश्यू.
कारण
वी वील टेक अप दिस एज अ नॅशनल इश्यू कारण हो एक लोकप्रतिनिधीचेर हल्लो जाल्लो आसा.
हो गोंयापुरतो मर्यादित न्ही.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.